125, baby. Yee! 0.8 hours on her from the warm-up break-in stage. Track's looking a little overgrown. Mia's gonna do a good job cleaning her up. Holy frick, a little bit overgrown. We're gonna have to work some lines into this one. This track hasn't been ridden in a damn minute. Here's the steed Mia's gonna be riding. She's already got the Smith's first actual ride on this thing. Let her idle up a little bit. Almost dumped her. Freaking hit neutral. Oh, and we stalled her. That's unfortunate. Can't freaking feel my hands. The number plate fell off. Sitting over there right next to the truck. Don't judge me on my riding. Definitely not very good. It has been 2 months and a week maybe. So I'm not the best rider right now, but I'll slowly get back into it. This might take a minute before I clear. In the meantime, I got this little pit bike track going. I got a mini double there. I'm gonna get a little booter down there. You can kind of see it. Hell no. Hell no. Hella steez, buddy. Sheesh. She's so locked in. She's ripping a start here, huh? Come on, a little more. It's forgiving. When it starts revving down, then you, oh, here you go. Dialed, woo! Hell yeah, brother! Yep. LFG, woo!